Hello viewers, once again welcome back to the channel. Now today is the first time of you visiting the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and like the video. Okay, so today we are continuing with AutoCAD 2D basic drawing for beginners, and this is what we are going to do for today. Every drawing you do, you have to make sure you understand what you are doing. In that case, it becomes very easy for you. So let's start with today's tutorial. Now when you look at this drawing, we have a circle, 2 circles down here. We also have another 2 circles and another one here, but these ones are drawn with angles. The angle from this place to this side is 60, from here to here is 85. Okay, so let's start with this one and see how best we can do it. So let's start from this circle with diameter 20 and 40. So open your AutoCAD, go to the circle command, is diameter, so you click anywhere and you enter a radius of 40. It's very small, zoom, extend. Okay, let's go to the circle command again with diameter 20. Good, so we are done. Now let's try and get this circle. Now the distance from this center to this center is going to be the radius. Okay, this center mark. So this center mark is going to be our radius, which is 100. So we'll draw a line from the center. Now for us to get the angle, press it and hold your shift key and then press on your less than sign, enter the angle, which is 60 degrees, and you press enter. Now it is asking for specify next point, which is the length of the line. So we said it's 100, so we enter 100 and then we have it. Good. Now let's draw the circles over there. We can actually copy these ones. You can use the shortcut CO, press enter, select from here, you click and you have it over there. Now let's convert this line into center line. So right click, properties, line type. We don't have it there, so we have to load it. So go to order, then go to load, then we look for, let's look for the center line. Okay, so let's select this one. Let's pick this one. Okay, good. So when we come, you can see it there. Unless we select it first, properties. Good. So now we have it. Now let's try and get this angle, which is 85. So for us to get that one, we also draw the line. Now for us to get the angle of 85, we need to add the 60 angle from here, then the 85, which will give us 145. So press your shift key and your less than symbol and then press 145. You press enter. Now it's asking for the length, which is also 100. I will make a video on how AutoCAD angle works so that you understand how the angles work better. Okay, so with these circles, diameter is 30 and 50. If you can see, the inner one is 30, the outside one is 50. So circle, diameter 50, then circle, diameter is 30. Remember, I have selected center diameter. That's why I'm just giving it straight. But if you select center radius, then you have to specify or click on the diameter below here. Alright, so I'm using the diameter straight, so 30. Oh sorry, our circle is converting to center line, so let's choose normal one. Okay, now there is an arc this one with radius 120. Okay, so to do that is very simple. Go to the circle and then select turn radius. Now click outside the circles, then specify radius of circle, which is 120. Press enter. Sorry, we've selected the, let's change the line here. Good, that's why our this thing is coming. So select it, click here, specify 120. See, let's trim. You can use the trim command here or TR. I like using the shortcut. Let's trim this one off. Now there's another arc here which is 90, so select your turn radius again, click here, specify the radius of 90. You can also trim. Now this place is a straight line, but it's tangent to this line and this line, so select your line and then press and hold shift key, right click, select tangent, click this circle, come here, press and hold shift key, right click, select tangent and click the circle. Now you see it will be tangent to the circles. Good. Now what is left is this design inside, and you can see the distance from this arc to this is 15. So what we are going to do is we will offset. So click your offset and say specify offset distance is 15, so you press 15 and enter. Now click this one, bring it inside, click here, inside, click here, bring it inside. All right, now let's trim the unwanted part. So TR for trim, enter. Let's trim this place, let's trim this side as well, here. Okay, let's trim this place and this one. Okay, so now let's delete this excess line which we don't need. Select them and delete them all. Let's trim here. This side is not trim. Select these lines and delete them. Okay, so now this is what you have. You can add your, now there's a radius. This place there's a fillet, so radius of 5 at all the corners. So let's add them. So you can just select fillet and then you specify, you come to your radius, enter 5. That is your fillet radius. Now select this line, select this line. Now you see we did once, it's gone. So if you are doing multiple radius, after you select, if you are doing multiple fillets, select fillets, you come to radius 5, you press enter, then you select multiple. In that case it will allow you to select or do multiple fillets at the same time. So you see you are doing a lot of fillets at the same time. Good. So let's try and add some center marks to the drawing. Go to annotate and select center mark, select your circle, and then the center mark will appear. Now let's try and dimension our work. Okay, now to do that I will make the work a little bit bigger, but I don't need these ones to be big, so I'll select them and reduce the line width of it. Good. So let's right click, properties, and then go to 0.18. Okay, this one didn't go. 0.1. All right, so that's what we have. Okay, so now let's dimension the work. So by dimensioning, we go to your, can go to annotate. Now let's start with the radius, and then the diameter first. So you can just go to annotate and select from here. Let's use diameter. Click this one. See, the line is becoming bigger. Don't worry, we will deal with it after we are done. Select diameter again. Let's finish it. Good. So let's go for radius to do that of a big arc. We'll select this one. Just want to make it smaller. Okay. Then now let's go for linear. Then dimension this one as well. 15. Okay. So I think, and then the radius here. So let's pick the radius. Dimension this one. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. So for you to, let's select the dimensions and then reduce the line weight of it. They are too big, we don't want it that way. Right click, properties, go to the line weight, select 0.18. yeah, I think it's good. But the writings are very small, so with that one you can go to annotate and then dimension, or you can even go to annotation, dimension style, manage dimension style, go to modify, and then you go to the symbol and arrow. Let's make it like 4, and then come here, the text, to make it like 5 or 4. If you see it's too big, you can reduce it. Okay, so you can see we have them nicely here. I'll try and position this one. Good. So now you see we have our work neatly done. You can, if you want to put them on a layer, you can select them and put them on a layer with different color, or you can just change the color. Let's change the color from here. Let's give it yellow. Yellow color is not bad. Good. Now let's add that of the angles, and that will be all. So go to annotate, select the angular, select the center lines, and your angle is for 85. Now for this side you can draw a line. Let's draw a straight line, and then let's change it to center line. The line type, select this one, then the line width, reduce it to 0.18. okay, let's measure the angle over there, or give the dimension of the angle. So go to annotate, okay, so select these ones as well, and then reduce the line width 0.18 and change the color as well. Okay, let's give the yellow. Okay, so that is what you are supposed to do. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and work like this. If you want any question, or if you have any question, kindly leave it in the comment section, and then I'll attend to the question. Thank you all for watching. See you in the